Red tide is now killing Suncoast shorebirds. After months of minimal reports of sick or dying birds, the floodgates opened this morning and dozens of birds were taken to Save Our Seabirds in Sarasota for treatment. ABC 7's Jess Dowdrick joins us live from there tonight. And just how many of the birds are being affected and where were they found?
Scott, before today, there were only 6 birds brought here in the last 3 weeks suffering from the effects of red tide. However, I was just told that today, Save Our Seabirds broke its record of the number of birds brought in one day. 42 of them from Siesta, Longboat, and Lido Keys are now inside here fighting for their lives.
Unfortunately, this red tide is affecting everything, and it was a matter of time before it affected the bird populations as well.
Kylie Wilson walked Lido Beach Monday, as she does every week. Only this time, she found the devastation she knew was coming.
We found at least 20 birds within 100 yards of each other, all sanderlings and ruddy turnstones, which are smaller shorebirds that feed on small crustaceans along the shorelines.
The birds couldn't get up, not able to walk or fly away.
We don't really know why it happens like this, just all of a sudden. It seems that the neurotoxins may be built up. They've been ingesting these fish and toxic things for the last 3 weeks.
Now 40+ birds are in the care of Dana Lee Worthy and her team at Save Our Seabirds.
Right now we're doing a lot of supportive care and fluid therapy at this point. A lot of them are coming in not well.
5 of the birds have passed away, but a few have recovered quickly and can walk again after only a few hours of care.
Today has been a really detrimental day. I mean, we had a feeling that this was going to happen, but we thought it was going to be kind of a trickle-in effect, but it was a mass entrance.
The key to saving the birds' lives is getting them help as soon as possible. That's where the community comes in.
If people are on the beaches, bring them in right away. A lot of times people aren't seeing them because they are the color of the sand.
If you see any birds in distress, you're asked to pick them up with a towel or a piece of cloth and keep the radio and air conditioning off in the car and bring them immediately to Save Our Seabirds.
It just came in like a wave, and so we can probably expect that we're going to be seeing a lot more.
The staff at Save Our Seabirds is also asking for donations. If you have any extra towels or pieces of cloth that they can use to pick up these birds, you're asked to bring those in. Also, they could use playpens to keep them in and heating pads as well. Reporting live in Sarasota, Jess Dowdrick, ABC 7, your Suncoast News.